Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sapna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a few tips of how you can spruce up your living space for springs and summers. My first tip is to add some floral prints and some colors here and there. Like you guys can see, this is my living room, and what I always do during spring summer season is that I add some floral patterns and prints in my cushions, in my curtains, and here and there. So since you can't play around much with your furniture and your fixed pieces, the best way to do is add floral prints on your cushions and your curtains, and maybe table runners or table mats. Now I generally buy my cushions from Home Center, Pure, the Wishing Chair, Whites of London, and I also buy fabric from Decor, and I get them stitched since I love Decor fabric. Then my next tip is to add some colors in your decorative pieces. Like you can see in this case, I have added 3 different colors going in sync with the cushions. So these are just glass pieces from Home Center, and the yellow vase that you see is from Jaipur. It's from their blue pottery collection. So yeah guys, so as you can see, a bit of color here and there goes a long way in sprucing up your living space. Now coming on to my next tip is using pastels or some somber colors. Now this is my guest bedroom, and I just did my bed in a completely pink style. I've used different shades of pink, but all in the pink family, and the moment I enter this room, trust me guys, I feel so soothing, so relieving, so calming, and at the same time this is such a fun look. And if you guys want me to do bed styling videos, do let me know in the comments. I would love to do that. Now my second idea of bed styling is this one. This is my son's room. Now here I've added a lot of colors. Like I said, adding colors in summers and spring season go a long way. So I added colors on the bed sheet, on the cushions, but I balanced it with this really subtle blue, sky blue doher or AC comforter, and just balanced the look, and it looks so good. Moving on to my third tip, which I always emphasize, is using lots and lots of greenery. You can use green plants indoors as well as outdoors. Now I have done a separate video on indoor plants. I've done a video on seasonal flowers, so please check those videos out if you guys haven't. Greens go a long way in livening up your living space, add such a positive, healthy, lively vibe to your living space, and they look so good all the time. You just need to look after your greens depending on the season. Palms, snake plants, syngonium, aloe vera, there are so many good options that you can have which are also low maintenance. Money plant, so many of them. So add lots and lots of greens. Moving on to my next tip is adding some cuteness in different parts of your house. Like this is my kitchen. Now I have done a separate video of my kitchen tour. Do check it out. I'll leave it in the description box. Now this is a counter or a corner in my kitchen which I have made cute and colorful. Now one side, the yellow one, is the tea counter, and this pink one is my coffee maker counter. It's not a separate counter, it's just a separate section. And this entire corner of my kitchen is my snacks, coffee and tea counter, or tea section as what I call it. So all these colorful cute jars have snacks in them which we eat regularly with our tea or coffee. And then I have lots of colorful mugs, some kettles, and this is how I just curated this space, and it looks so pretty. So guys, these were my simple, very functional, doable tips and tricks of how you can spruce up your space for summers and springs. So greens, colors, pastels, some nice floral prints, all these go a long way in sprucing up your living space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. Stay safe, stay indoors. I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Till then, take care.